Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And today we have a new video. We are trying to do our makeup on transit, on the move, while on the move. It's the hardest thing I'm trying to do so far with makeup, but let's see how everything will turn out. Yeah. I don't have a stand. It's very hectic, but that's what I want. So I've tried fixing something. I hope it will work. So we start with our eyebrows. Hey, the most challenging part. I hope my eyebrows won't come out wavy. Oh God, let me use a mirror. It's made to be easier. Gosh. This is better. Oh no. Babe, come poorly. Oh my God, it's so hard, but I've tried. Gosh, babe. Come poorly. I think I've tried. So next step is to moisturize our face. Gosh, now. Gosh. I need to do my makeup.
What you need to do is be serious.
Eh?
What you need to do is be serious.
Kwani this is not serious?
How can you do your makeup in traffic?
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. It is concealer time. Lucky babe. Why do I feel like you're being intentional?
Because you're trying to do something that's impossible.
Why? What do you mean impossible? Do you not see I'm already progressing? There's nothing impossible, I told you. Everything is possible.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Gosh. I tried. So I won't do any eyeshadows. So I'm just pressing on some powder, and then I do my eyeliner. Yep, another very hard task coming up, but let's see how I'll do. So far so good. I love the progress. Gosh, hater. Haters in the building. Gosh, I can't even do anything here. No, let me use the mirror. What do you think? I did it. I tried. Very much tried. Where is this? Next on, after we are done with the eyes, we do the primer. Prime our face. Yeah. After the primer, we go in with our foundation. Ooh, that's a lot. That's like a lot. So I'll just take off some. And then I dab. So we have to stop. We had to stop somewhere because we are waiting for some of our friends. And then we go on with our journey to our destination. So since I wanted a very simple look, I won't do the highlighting and contouring today. I'll just do the full foundation, and then that's it. Nothing complicated, just, you know, simple. Something extremely simple. So we're done with the foundation. Now it's powder time. And I think we are done. It was that simple. Just something very simple. And yeah. Let me just touch up for the brows. So, last but not least, setting spray. So the last thing is the lipstick. We're going with a red lip. Just because everything else is simple. Let me exaggerate here. Gosh. There are our lips. Are here. Hey.
Yes, look at you. So you didn't give us the name.
Told you.
Give us the name. It's quite unfortunate that we look like this and you're not like that.
You know, enough I'm ready, prepared anytime.
Scout's motto.
So guys, this is my final look. How do you think it turned out? This hater over here was saying it's not possible.
Excuse me.
But it was possible. I think you can attest to this. Maybe the lips nimeenda nje kidogo. The eyebrows, I think the eyebrows are done, are perfect. Our eyeliner is also good. I tried guys, I did makeup on transit, and yeah, simple and nice. So I think leave your comments down below. Tell me, how did I do? What do you think I should do next? What are you challenging me to do? So we'll see you. We'll see you on the next one. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and stay safe. Share this video with your family and friends if you enjoyed it. Leave a like, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Rasta mgani?
Kuna wengi.
Yeah.